In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a Zoom meeting on laptop. First, make sure you're already inside your Zoom meeting on your laptop. This guide applies to the Zoom desktop app on both Windows and macOS. Before you share, it's a good idea to quickly tidy up what's visible. Close any documents you don't want others to see, and consider turning on Do Not Disturb or Focus mode to prevent notifications from popping up during your presentation. If you're using multiple displays, decide ahead of time which monitor or app you plan to show so the transition feels smooth. Next, look along the bottom center of the Zoom meeting window for the Share Screen button. It's the icon with a rectangle and an upward arrow. If the meeting controls aren't visible, move your mouse to bring them back. If you still don't see the option or it looks disabled, your host may have restricted screen sharing for participants. A quick heads up to the host can resolve that. When you click Share Screen, Zoom will open a selection window. Here you'll choose exactly what you want your audience to see. If you pick your entire screen, everything on that monitor will be visible, including your desktop, open windows, and any notifications. This is helpful if you need to switch between multiple apps. If you'd rather keep things focused and private, select a specific application window instead. With a single window share, viewers only see that app, not your desktop or other programs. Keep that chosen window open and on top. Minimizing it can pause or hide your shared view. Before you start, you'll also notice optional checkboxes. If you plan to play a video or music for your audience, enable the option to share your computer sound so they can hear it clearly. There's also an optimization setting designed for video clips that can make motion look smoother. If you do share audio, consider using headphones to avoid echo. Once you've made your choice, click the Share button. Your audience now sees exactly what you selected. Move your cursor deliberately and speak to what's on screen so people can follow along easily. If you're sharing a full screen and need to switch apps, do it confidently and remember that everything on that monitor is visible, so keep personal items hidden. That's all there is to it. Be in your Zoom meeting, click Share Screen, choose your screen or a specific window, and then click Share. With a little preparation and the right selection, your screen shares will be clear, professional, and distraction-free.